everyone, welcome back to our Power BI series. So far we have installed Power BI desktop and explored the interface. Now it's time to bring some data. In this video we will connect to Excel, CSV and web sources. Let's get started. Alright, so first is we will connect with the Excel, then to the CSV, then to the web data. Alright, and last but not the least, wrap up and teaser. So let's get started. Now let's understand with the real-time scenario. So let's say we have a sales team and they want to share a weekly report in Excel, and we will see like how we can bring that into the Power BI to see the trend analysis. Then we will connect to the CSV, also understand the real-time scenario. Now we have downloaded the customer feedback from a CRM and we have a CSV format so that we can visualize it. Alright, now if we want to connect with a web portal, so let's say we want to track down the currency rates or the COVID stats from government sites. So let's see how we can connect. Now quickly get into the Power BI. So here we have the Power BI. Alright, quickly get into the get data, click on get data and choose the Excel workbook from here. Alright, here we have the sales data, click on it. Alright, so we have sales data here and we have just one table from it. So just select it, check on the. Now here on the right we can preview. We can have the preview of data, how does it look like, and for that I'll just go to the load. So click on the load. Boom, we have the data. So just click on the drop down from the right and we have a different columns right here, like let's say a category, customer name, date and order ID. Alright, now let's see our report view. So right here from this also you can also see there. Alright, now if you want to connect with the CSV, so again go to the get data and select the CSV from here. So it is along with the text and CSV, so click on it and now you have the CRM data. Just select it and open it. Alright, so we have 200 rows. Based on the first 200 row, it is the data. Now just click on the load and here we go. Boom, we have the CRM data on our screen. So let's click on the drop down from the right and we have the columns right here. Alright, it's time to get the data from the web. Alright, for that I just click on the get data again and we have to select the web here. So right here it is a web, just click on it and I'll require a URL for that. So let's say I have this website. Okay, so I just need to copy the URL. Just copy it, go to again and paste the right here and click on OK. Then it is uploading. Let's see how many tables we will get. So basically it is establishing the connection to the web. Now the Power BI is detecting the tables that are present on the web. Let's see how many tables we got. See how many tables we have. We have table 1, table 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then HTML code, then display text. Let's see what is this GDP forecast or estimate in millions US dollar. Just click on it. See, we have a lot of data right here. Alright, so quickly click on load, wait for some time so that it can upload all the values. Alright, so we have got the data. Let's see what else we can do. Just first of all check how many columns it has. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it has 7 columns, but why there is no column headers? Let's see on the table view on the left. So click on it. See, we have okay, so we have to select the GDP forecast on the right. So from here just select this and you have column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. But let's see, are these columns same? No. Here it is country or territory, then forecast, then year under the IMF, and under the World Bank we have estimate, then year, estimate year. Under the United Nations, the estimate year, estimate, and the estimate year. All right. So what we basically we have to do is we have to remove those columns, and these kind of things like changes and editing, I'll take you through in the next video, how to change the column name, how to rename the columns and all. And let's go to the report view again, and this is how we connect all three, like CSV, web and Excel. I hope everything is clear, right? So basically in the next video we'll clean and transform this data using the Power Query editor. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell. Don't forget to read this. This is the best quote we follow. Empathy isn't just in our name, it's in every insight we deliver. Thank you so much. I'll catch you in the next video.